Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The pure essence of your soul will shine through when you really get to the depths of that essence inside of yourself. And that's what I do. I'm Nicola Russell. I'm an intuitive energy and sound healer. I connect with my higher self, my multidimensional aspects across all time and space. And I've ignited that sense of understanding who I am. And that's what I do in sharing and guiding people into finding that inner light within inside themselves too. So remembering who you are is absolutely imperative with our forward journey as we move forward in our spirituality. During the session, I'm going to bring forward some light codes for you. I'm going to explain what it's all about. I'm going to open up your minds to all possibilities across all time and space. I will pure channel light codes for you, bringing forward a sense of sound so that your sensory perspective can really tap into those codes. And I'm going to connect with your energy and allow you, with your permission, to go into a different realm of understanding. So during my quantum energy and sound healing, I'm going to really tap in, switch on, and ignite that light inside of yourself. Remembering who you are is so important. We go through a veil of amnesia when we actually come into this physical body at birth, and then we're programmed with all of this information that comes through. And the identification of who you think you are lies a lot deeper than you could ever imagine. So to describe who I am, yes, I could say, yes, I'm Nicola Russell here standing in front of you. But I'm so much more than that. I'm so much more, and so are you. The visitation within inside of yourself sometimes can be a bit difficult because those doors are going to be locked where you can't open them up. So I'm going to try and open those doors for you with some key codes, with some light codes to open up that inner knowing of that depth of light within you.